नमस्ते, हेलो एभ्रीबडी, वेलकम ब्याक टु माई च्यानल। माई नेम इज शेफ अमीर र आज मैले हजुरहरू माझ लिएर आएको छु एउटा नौलो खालको पास्ताको रेसिपी। आजको टपिक चाहिँ हजुरहरूले थाहा पाइहाल्नुभयो, फेटोजिनी काम्पोफिलोने। काम्पोफिलोने भनेको चाहिँ एउटा इटालीको ठाउँ हो जहाँ यो पास्ता बनाउने तरिका चाहिँ क्रिएट भएको थियो र यो एउटा लामो दौरानमा चाहिँ यो पास्ताको मोडिफिकेसनहरू धेरै भए र आज हाम्रो रेस्टुरेन्टमा चाहिँ हामीले यस्तो तरिकाले चाहिँ यो पास्तालाई बनाउने गर्छौँ र हजुरहरूलाई पनि यो पास्ताको बारेमा ज्ञान दिउँ र हजुरहरूले पनि घरमै बसेर पनि यो पास्ता बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ भन्ने आशाले चाहिँ मैले हजुरहरूमाझ यो पास्ताको रेसिपी लिएर आएको छु। सो यो पास्ता बनाउनको लागि चाहिने इन्ग्रिडियन्ट्सहरू मध्येमा चाहिँ फेटोचिनी पास्ता, बिफ स्ट्रिप, ग्रेटेड पार्मेसन चिज, चप पार्सली, फ्रेस बेजिल, ट्रफल क्रिम र एक्स्ट्रा भर्जिन ओलिभ ओइल। यदि यो इन्ग्रिडियन्ट्सहरू हजुरहरूमाझ छ भने चाहिँ हजुरहरूले यो पास्ता घरमै बसेर पनि आफूसँग भएको इक्विपमेन्टहरू युज गरेर बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ। यसको लागि कुनै पनि ओभन या वाट एभर ठुलो इक्विपमेन्टहरू चाहिँदैन। जस्ट इफ यु हेभ दिस नन स्टिक प्यान र स्पाचुला छ भने चाहिँ यो पास्ता चाहिँ एकदमै सजिलोसँग बनाउन सकिन्छ। Okay, so let's start this beautiful pasta recipe on my channel. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start this beautiful recipe. Let's go. Take a clean pan on a medium heat. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. When oil is hot enough, drop your beef strips. If you don't eat beef, strip can be replaced with buffalo meat as well. When meat is almost cooked, drop your confit onions and garlic as I did on a video, then saute nicely. Now add vegetable stock if you have. If you don't have, use normal water that is from the pasta and deglaze the flavor on a pan and to control the heat of pan as well. While sauce is working on it, let's add our pasta in a boiler. Remember, water should be boiling rapidly when you drop your pasta and it takes 6 to 7 minutes to be al dente, and if you are boiling for fully cooking then it takes 8 to 10 minutes. The main points to remember: pasta should be always boiled in a salted water. Add cream, lowering your heat and let it boil for some time in simmering temperature while you stirring occasionally. So now I'm going to add truffle cream. If you don't have truffle cream, you can use truffle oil or truffle paste. As you can see, the pasta is ready. Now I'm going to take it out the pasta from boiler and I'm going to add my pasta to the saucepan. Before you finish your dish, let's add some chopped parsley, grated Parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and toss few times to bind. And don't forget to taste your pasta before you finish it off.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.
I hope you enjoyed watching how it's made, and if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to drop your comments down below. I'll be back with varieties of many tasty dishes. Till then, happy cooking to you all. See you later. Bye bye.